Visit the Make Reports page when you need to create a report. Your reporting frequencies from your account settings will show up here, but they can easily be changed by selecting from the drop-down menus. If you need to see past reports, toggle the switch that says Show Historic. To create a report, simply click on the period you want to generate. After you've selected the report you want to see, use the top navigation bar to scroll between the pages of the report. And you can download the report to a PDF. We have more features planned for the Make Reports page. Some of these features include more form validation to help catch issues before you finalize the form, being able to click directly on the amount shown in the report in order to drill down into the calculation to help with reviewing the report, and being able to mark reports as submitted to prevent them from being changed after they've already been filed. Additionally, we'll be adding more report types like daily records and reports to help you with your state reporting requirements.